Alright, hi guys. Today is Tuesday, and actually it's been hard creating content. It's been hard picking up the camera to do one or two stuff, but we're here today. So today is Tuesday, and the market has been building up. We had like some nice expansion yesterday. Yesterday is not really meeting up the mark, like missing liquidity sweeps, missing some key things. So we just focus on yesterday since it is giving a better price delivery. So right now I want to take a trade on, well, I already took a trade and it took me out, but I know we should sell that. I'm currently in a sell on EU. Let me just go to the 4 hours time frame. I'm currently in a sell on Euro USD. It's not looking bad actually. It's not looking bad, but let's see how it ends. So I'm going to be taking out probably set break even here or trail stops here, but ultimately this low here is my TP. Oh, and again, I'm going to take a shot if if Euro USD comes back to this level here. So this is more like a good SMC setup. See this breaker structure here, see this inducement here, these two legs. Let me just mark it out. So we have inducement and we have a proper order block. This is inducement right here. This range too again is also serving as inducement because there is liquidity on the session high inducement. So inducement, then proper order block. So if it comes back here, this move, I'll take the good shot. Okay, while this move have not been 100% confirmed, because we have to wait for 15 minutes candle to close, and we also have to wait for this guy to close below here. Then let's see, this guy should close below here, which is not looking good at the moment. I already took a sell actually. There was a massive drop, so I already took a sell on 3 minutes. This sell on 3 minutes. So if price comes back to this inversion fair value gap here, I'll take another short smaller position right here to sell. So this is more or less my trade here, because price closed around this area here. So close here. TP ideally should be around OTE, because I see no reason why we should be targeting these highs anymore. TP should be here. Sorry, stop loss rather should be here. I'll put it here. I just follow the textbook. Right, then we'll be targeting this point, this lows here. Is that valid? Yeah, that's valid.
I'd like to bring up on stage another partner.
Okay, so price just goes back to this my inversion fair value gap right here. So I already took in, there was a limit there, so it triggered. So one more position in. So I have about 3 positions locked in on this trade. I don't know if I'm the only one that gets scared or I don't know, start feeling uneasy when I add more positions to a trade, because I mean it's supposed to be a good thing, more money and all of that, but it's just there's just unease. What if it doesn't go right and all of that? But anyways, I accepted the risk already, so we just have to chill and see if it's going to play out or not. If this doesn't play out, because this is going to be my second loss this morning, I'm just going to like chill out and just wait to AM session. Yeah, AM session. Yeah, AM session.
A few moments later.
Okay, so this is the results. I already chopped stop loss. Already. This place is looking like this was spread. Already took me out. So okay, so I just went to work. Right, I'm just coming back from work. This is my channel, and I've hit stop loss on the second entry. So remain just one entry. I stop loss on the second entry. I don't know how to feel about it. I'm actually feeling good. I'm actually feeling good because I've been holding that account. I've been managing risk for too long, and I feel like side time will just trade, because fear of something will definitely make you feel like doing it. That's right. When you're scared of something, you hesitate, or you want to do it right, and nobody's getting things right in the first place. And how you don't get it right in the first place is by doing it without even knowing how the result is going to be, right? So you go ahead and do it, courageous, don't fear, nothing like that. So if the process doesn't go well, you will learn from the process. Understand? We learn from the process. So what I was saying is I'm going to explain the idea behind my setup. So we'll start from US 100. I'm not going to take US 30 because US 30 have been messing up. See, just look at it. US 30 doesn't look nice at all. Although it's playing out at the end of the day on higher time frame, but it's very difficult for me to read lower time frames. Maybe because I'm not patient enough, but I don't want to stress it too much. But one thing I know for sure is US 100 has been pumping, flying. But then again, something happened yesterday. We're having break of structure to the downside. See this place here, break of structure to the downside. Mad move. See this place too, mad move. Although all I didn't consider is the fact that price stayed inside this bullish Fibonacci gap, right? So that means bullish move, and we're supposed to fly to the buy side now. But then again, I was trying to take PMMS. So PMMS is basically having your Asian range, then price buys. Once price take the buy side, you sell. Price take the sell side, you buy. It's just like that. It's irrespective of the order flow or the directional bias. We know it works. We've tested that too. So first of all, first mistake was impatience. I should have waited for time, because time first before we consider price. Although I considered price first, so all I just did was look up in the morning. So help me God, I woke up very early and decided to open the chart and do something stupid. So the chart, this was sweep of the high right here, down break to the downside. So I noted this value gap and I was hoping price would inverse it. So it came down here, boom. I was hoping it to hold price. What does 15 minutes look like? Okay, good. 15 minutes look nice. So this happened here. We rejected it to this week here, boom. So I was having reassurance I was supposed to sell. So therefore, I took this first trade and it wicked me out. So it wicks me out weak. So I was thinking, okay, maybe it has wicked me, that sweep, and we are now at the open of the London session, which is this guy right here. So I'll go ahead and delete this. Let me take a screenshot for documentation. So I'll go ahead and delete this. So I was thinking, okay, we already with this is the open here, boom. Then it's time to sell. So this happened market structure shift on the 15 minutes time frame. So I knew, okay, I felt like we're ready to sell. Then this also happened on 3 minutes. This inversion favor gap. But one thing I noticed that it happened on 3 minutes was this but market structure shift didn't happen. The candle didn't break through on the 3 minutes. So I think I will note that now. Not just look for it on 5 minutes, look for it on 3 minutes, 15 minutes to like corresponding time frames. So that happened. It was only just weak. Boom, then went to the upside and flushed me out. That doesn't happen every day actually. That doesn't happen every day. It's not something that just flies in the opposite direction or instead like continue in the same direction of the first liquidity that I was taking to a higher time frame liquidity. If you get what I'm saying, that this is a higher time frame liquidity. So that happened and I backed to losses. So I was trying to control it, but still I still lost like what $2 to $3 in that trade. The account is small, like I said, so it is what it is. So EU gave me okay, this is the OG. So let's look at EU. Okay, so this is what happened. Let's just start from the high time frame. I'm doing analysis of the high time frame for EU. So there's this SMT on EU where GBP and DXY actually cleared this liquidity here. They did clear liquidity on that side. So I have SMT and I have daily. Is it daily or 4 hours? I have a 4-hour order block. I know I have another block. Oh, daily OTE. Daily OTE. So I have this daily OTE. I probably just tap the boom. I started reversing with that SMT. So I'm kind of I have the idea that we're going to dump, like really dump to the downside. Because we have this like sales setup, right? I'm already in this high. So I still feel like we're going to dump, if at all, to 50% of the range. I think this should be 50% of the range right here. So that's where my TP is. So I feel like we should dump to that place. But one mistake I made, again, not really a mistake. It's not something I do often. So I'm not sure how to take re-entries or the add to positions and manage it and all of that. So let's just go down. So we already knew we are selling SMT, daily OTE. We needed to look for a sell setup. So after sweeping on this side, taking out all of this liquidity here, so I went to this lower time frame. We had 1 hour chain in a state of delivery right here. And we had Price break this other block right here, so which is change of character here. We just change the character. So when did I enter? What made me enter? What I will explain to you now. So this happened, change state of delivery. Then we have this available. Initially, I was going to enter with OTE. I was going to enter with OTE. I sweep this high, then enter with OTE and we sell. But SMT happened again on GBP. So we had this Asian range here. Boom. That means this high. This Asian range high took out this previous day high. Okay, this Sunday high on GBP. So that happened SMT, boom. Then we came to the sell side. Wait, let me think about it. How did I go into this street? Oh, why? Oh, okay. I remember. DXY. There's another block there, but DXY got to the other block. And fair value gap. Yes, this is it. This is the entry. So this happened. This one sweep. This is the SMT. See, this was the SMT. Right. So this guy took out this low, gave us a change in state of delivery here. On top of that change in state of delivery, we are using this fair value gap. In fair value gap and inversion fair value gap. I think it's up there. Yeah. So price got there and reacted beautifully with it. So I knew this guy, EU, was not going to get to his own high again. The moment he hit that fair value gap, this is the same. That's why I took my entry. So see this inversion fair value gap again. This was a sign that, or I believe this would hold price and push it down. If price comes back there. So it looks like that's what's happening, but I don't know how solid it starts going to be. So we came down, we reacted off of it properly. So this happened, all of this move happened during this morning hour. So I took a re-entry and I'll explain why. Okay. So this happened this morning. This was Asian range, and I was hoping price would take the Asian range as inducement, and we use the immediate order block to start selling. I didn't expect it to go higher because Asian range should be enough liquidity for you, but price had other plans for me. So I took my entry here, and my stop loss was banking on the fact that this second order block would immediately tap price away. So one thing I should have done was, I thought about it too. I don't know why I didn't do it immediately. So my stop loss would have been, okay, I didn't do it immediately, to be honest. The stop loss is big. So I didn't want to back some of stop loss. Stop loss was like 1 point something or $2. To me, it's big. So this is the TP, and so I've given you just 1 to 2. Now that I say it, sounds funny because 1 to 2 is still the same. But yeah, this is my stop loss should have been mine. I decided to put it here. And you can see price took me out not long ago. So what will most likely happen is we'll now react away from the other block now and now decide to sell. If that happens, that's good news. If not, but if you react, then it will be sweet because see all this liquidity here, yeah, no resistance. This one here, they're low resistance. So you're supposed to now jump properly to the sell side. I think that was going to happen. But anyways, I'll just leave my pre-analysis and everything here so I can learn from it and observe it, and you know what I mean. So that's that for that. I'll just put a screenshot of my PNL right here. Put a screenshot of the PNL right here and the trades I've taken so far. But I think I should be around $1 to $2 right now because I already bagged some losses from the 5 to, I think I had $8. And I lost about 4. I think I lost about 4 to 5 between yesterday and today. So this is what it is. Like I said, if the account grows, we'll fund again, keep going. You shouldn't be scared of losses. You should move forward with courage, move forward with fear, and learn from it. That's the only time we can grow. We learn from it and we grow from it. Trading is a lonely game. You have to learn by yourself, and most likely you will learn in the hard way. Even if you have your mentor, someone that will teach you, you still learn in the hard way. So you can control yourself, control your emotions, own your scars, to build you. Yeah. So that will be that for that. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and peace.